So cathodic arc and magnetron sputtering are both used for decorative coatings. Traditionally, cathodic arc has been the more common technique used, mostly because of that high energy that you get, high ionization from that, the nature of that energetic process. You can control reactions a lot easier at lower temperatures. So we can do our decorative coatings on plastic parts. Very common that you see in plumbing products, electroplated, hand showers, veggie sprayers, or internal automotive components that are ABS plastic. So we can control those reactions to form those compounds, those carbonitrides, carbides, nitrides, with the energy of the ions rather than having to apply thermal energy. Now, if you're doing it with sputtering, you may need to add more thermal energy to get those reactions to occur. So it's usually not as common. There's always exceptions, but not as common for plastic components. We do have a new black process that we've been under development with for the last few years that we've launched last year that is a sputtered black chromium carbide. It's beautiful. It can be made at low temperatures. It's really a fantastic process, and it's made by sputtering. The material is very similar to what we do for our functional coatings. Titanium and zirconium. Zirconium is the most common, but titanium, zirconium, chromium, those are the three we use most often for those types of coatings. Again, they can be used for either magnetron sputtering or cathodic arc. Composition tends to be a little easier to control with our cathodic arc because that ionization, and the uniformity has a little bit better throw because of that energy level as well. But application-wise, it really depends on what color you're trying to achieve, what type of substrate you're trying to apply it to. But we have certain coatings that tend to work, or colors that work better with sputtering, some that work better with cathodic arc, some we can do with both. So it really is a conversation about trying to understand what's the end use, what are the properties needed, what's the material you need to apply the coating on, and then we can direct into the right technology.